How to make money online? Is online work exist in real life or not? What if I say you can make $4,000 per month easily from home by doing online work? How you can get hired for online work? How you can get paid for your online work? Which online work is real? And in this video, I also will be talking about online scams. So please keep watching this video till end, because after watching this video, you're gonna have something in your mind to earn massive amount online. Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are fine and well. I'm Zain Ahmed from Easy Teacher with Fun YouTube channel, back again with a new video. In this video, I'll show you guys how to make money online. How you can make $4,000 each month, and I will help you guys in identifying real online work. Before walking ahead towards our topic, I would like to request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. Let's get started. First of all, let me put extreme light on online work. What is that? It is not what normally people understand. It is real-time work which comes from real-time persons. Clear your mind that in this world, nothing is free. Especially when you are thinking to make money online, don't think it's just one-click method and you will have it easily. In online work, we perform a task to get paid. Like you can be logo designer, e-commerce virtual assistant, digital marketer, Photoshop expert, editing expert, cartoon maker, content writer, translator, and there are many more options which you guys can perform online to get paid. Let's suppose you are a digital marketer and you help businesses to enhance their reach to more audience. In this, I didn't mean network marketing. That's a real scam in my point of view. Then what is the job of a digital marketer? A digital marketer handles startup or medium-level businesses' social media accounts like Google Ads, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter accounts. It also includes paid promotions and strategies to grow brands through social media platforms. This is really amazing skill which can help you guys to make massive money each month. How to get those jobs? I would highly recommend you guys to join freelance marketplaces to get those jobs like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com, People Per Hour, and there are a lot more websites. These freelance marketplaces will help you to connect with your clients who will buy your services by per hour or via project. It's the best way to start. Don't work without terms and conditions. Don't start the work without getting hired through these marketplaces. These marketplaces will secure you and your buyer to avoid scam. How you can get paid for your online work? Freelance marketplaces are among you and your client. Like if someone hired you on Upwork by a project, then Upwork will charge him amount for the project and will take that amount in escrow. When you will done the job and submit it to your client, then your client will check the work. If he likes it and you satisfied him with your work, then he will approve the money for you. In this case, the money will available to you in several business days. After payment clearance from Upwork, you can withdraw it to your PayPal, Payoneer, or directly to your bank account. Now, how you can avoid online scams? I can tell you 4 major points to keep in mind when finding work online. Number 1. Don't understand that someone will hire you without a skill. If someone says, no problem, if you know nothing, I'll guide you what to do and ask for any type of registration fee, then don't fall for it. Normally those people scam you via Facebook posts. Like you can make $4,000 per month or a really handsome amount which you really want to earn. Number 2. Register yourself on freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com, or any other platform which suits your skills. When you will use freelance marketplaces to get remote jobs, then there is only 1% chance to get scammed. And you can understand that you are 99% safe with freelance marketplaces. Number 3. Don't start the job without knowing the job. Normally it's network marketing people who scam you like that. Number 4. Be expert in your skill and identify the job with your common sense. This is how to make money online. I hope you guys did like this informative video. If yes, then please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, then please reach out to me on Instagram. I will definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. To take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.